In Dearborn on Michigan Ave this last night at the Hilton. I must say that pretty much all night long you hear a lot of hot rod cars and motorcycles all night long going up and down the street. It's got to be quite the busy street. We just had our typical Hilton's breakfast. We're on our way up to the Ford Museum, which looks really cool. This is let's see, our eighth day tomorrow. No, ninth day. Today's our ninth day. One more day tomorrow, but we'll show you a little bit of the Ford Museum in a little while, and we'll talk to you later. How many miles we do today, George?
267.
267. We went from Dearborn to Niagara Falls. We just had dinner at, what is it, Braza? Oh my God, the food was great. We got the 26th floor. 28th floor. We're looking for the falls now.
I'm sitting at 2,420 miles total.
Yep, it's the last night of the trip. George is heading south, and I'm heading east tomorrow morning. And it's been an awesome trip. So we're trying to find the waterfalls. We'll talk to you guys in a bit. All right, so we're walking to the falls, scenic view. After 9 days of riding, it's our ninth night. We're gonna check out Niagara Falls. And probably call it an early night because I'm older. And he's older. He'll always be older.
Think for yourself.
What'd you think of that food?
Oh man, that Brazilian steakhouse.
Oh my God. Oh. What do you think about the trip?
Yeah, it was truly a journey. We had the opportunity to see so many different things. What a great adventure! And the chance to travel up to Canada, down through Sudbury, and on down to
Mackinac Bridge, the mighty Mac.
St. Marie. Yep. Edmund Fitzgerald's bell we had a chance to see up there at the Shipwrecks Museum. And geez, my goodness.
And I want to go up there, but George won't let me.
That's right. Exactly.
What do they call that, George? What kind of needle? Why didn't we get dinner up there? I wanted to get dinner up there.
Afraid of heights.
Oh my God! I had to wait for him on the mighty Mac.
Yeah, that's right. Speeding up there.
Speeding. I speeded past him. I sped past him. I'm going to turn this off for a minute. We'll turn it back on when we get to the falls. We're taking this little train thingy, this little train down to the actual waterfall. Nightlife on the Canadian side of Niagara Falls. All right, we're out. Have a good night.